Greetings, people. This is Pink Frock Yellow Booth from Behavior. We work towards achieving holistic health for everybody with a main emphasis on mental health, as mental health is a place which drives your life. Your mental health affects all areas of your life, and all areas of your life affect your mental health. So, going ahead with this, today this video is about the gratitude I hold for everybody's feedback, opinions, suggestions that are very enlightening and to the point for me. I see you have suggested that I add some slides or a music or myself in the first place. That was something that was very prominent. Also, a lot of topics that you people have sent me, I would like to cover them. But the first things that to make the video attractive, I had a few messages that told me that the content is quite interesting, but because it is not something that is very catchy or a very, how do I put it, attractive, it is more of like something very a child would be able to do, is if I quote the words. But I would like to tell you that first thing is that I'm really not that apt with technology. Second thing is, of course, I should be able to learn it, but right now my focus is not about creating a video fan base or a video channel that would be the sole impacting thing in my work area. But of course, I do heartfully accept those suggestions, and I understand that in today's time it is a lot helpful when people can achieve those kind of information based on videos or really handy on YouTube. We can also say I'm too lazy to learn it, but I don't want to get out of the habit of making one video at least per week, which provides some sort of idea on the current in thing that requires information or something that is more insightful and helpful for people around. So I would like to stick with this, but of course I would be considering those things, and I would be reaching out to the people who have asked me that they would be helping me. So I really extend my gratitude to all of you. Also, I would be covering the topics that you people have said, but I would like to tell you that certain specific topics that you come up with or certain specific things that you need me to address, it would not be possible on a video by me or by anybody, simply because when we make a video, like I made a video on that as well, that when a video is made, it is for masses. So everything that it covers is going to be very general and pertaining to the majority of the people, but it would never be very specific. It might help you in a certain way, but individual benefit that would be long lasting or impacting you in a vast manner is quite not the thing when it comes to general videos. They are to provide an insight and information that might guide you on how you should be going, but they are not the specific answers or precise answers to the questions or situations that you are facing. Also, somebody told me that I should cover the diagnostic disorders, clinical disorders, or the main specifics of mental health. So I would like to take that up as well and make videos on specific disorders, or maybe would like to cover disorders mentioned in ICD and DSM both. But let's see how it goes. Also, thank you for your feedback again. And I would say that I guess it's my self awareness that yes, I am not somebody who takes up things just because they've come and it would be very impactful, which is not very nice in this era. Also, once I feel I'm comfortable and get out of my comfort zone and laziness, I would surely like to enhance the quality of the video pertaining to the attractiveness and catchiness that it needs. And again, thank you everybody. Stay tuned. I might be covering the mentioned questions and the disorders as per the two guidelines of the basic books we have. So let's see how it goes. But for today's video, it's all about thanking you for your feedbacks and a general idea that in case If you know that you are not doing a certain thing perfectly, still stick to it and don't let it go, let it slide away just because you don't want to get out of your comfort zone, like I'm not. Of course, it's not healthy to stick to it altogether and not make a move forward, but don't be like me, and wishing everybody who is trying their hands on new things that they do stick to it, improve on it, and work through it, moving out of their comfort zones, laziness, and acquiring new and vivid knowledge about different things. Wishing everybody lots of growth and prosperity. Have a good time ahead.